Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to your Google Slides by first recording with Vocaroo. I've written about this many times in the past, but for some reason have never made a video about how to do it. So let's go ahead and take a look. So let's say I have my awesome sample presentation here and I want to add some audio to, let's say, this slide here. Well, I'm going to go to Vocaroo.com, a tool I've used for 15 years to make short audio recordings. I'm just going to click the record button and start talking. We're looking here at a picture of Dakota Thunder. Dakota Thunder is a giant buffalo statue in Jamestown, North Dakota. According to the Wikipedia entry for it, it's made out of 60 tons of concrete. Now, let's go ahead and save that as an MP3 recording. Just click that download button. It'll save right on your computer. And now you need to take an intermediate step of going to Google Drive and uploading that file. And I have that file here in my downloads folder. And let's add it in. There it is. Upload complete. Now we can go back to the Google Slides, insert our audio, and there's our latest recording. Let's select it. And we want to make sure that if we have shared these slides with somebody else, that we also share this audio file. And so we'll say yes, right? Or if we want everyone to access this, we can hit that option for turn link sharing on. Anyone with the link can view. So let's share it. Now let's drag this little play icon over here to the bottom right corner. And we can choose all of our options for the audio to play back automatically or when clicked on. You can even have that audio loop. You might want to have that audio loop if you're using music instead of spoken words. And you can even go in here and change other aspects of that little play icon, including the size of it and the overall appearance of it as well. So that's how you can use Vocaroo.com to create audio to add into your Google Slides. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.